Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making no-knead focaccia bread. Focaccia is a flat leavened oven-baked Italian bread. This homemade focaccia bread has lots of herbs and flavor, with the perfect combination of a crisp exterior and a soft, chewy interior. This straightforward focaccia recipe is suitable for all. My easy recipe makes delicious fresh bread in no time and requires very little effort. So friends, without wasting time, here are the basic steps for making it. Friends, all ingredients measurements are mentioned in the description below. In a bowl, pour 20 milliliters of warm milk, 35 ml water, 5 gram sugar, and 7 gram yeast. Mix it well and cover with a plate and wait for 15 minutes until the mixture froths. Combine flour, yeast, salt, sugar, and mixed herbs in a large bowl. Add water and mix until dough comes together. Mix the dough until you form a semi-smooth ball. Depending on the brand and type of flour, you may need to add additional water or flour. Please note, you are looking for a semi-sticky dough that you can form into a dough ball. The dough will be sticky, so do not worry. Coat a large ball with oil, place the dough and cover with a plastic wrap or towel and set aside in a warm place for at least 30 minutes to rise. This process yields a better focaccia texture and taste. Turn dough out onto an 8-inch baking tray. Pour slight oil and using your fingers, imprint your fingers throughout the dough to create indents until smooth and spread evenly. Top the dough with any kind of toppings of your choice before you bake the bread. Preheat the oven to 230 degrees centigrade. Place the tray in the oven and bake the bread for 25 to 30 minutes until the edges and top is golden. Once done, remove from the oven and let the bread cool completely. Apply butter all over the top. It's best to brush on melted butter after your bread is baked in the oven and while it is still warm before cutting into it. Melted butter will not be as shiny as an egg glaze, but the crust will be moist. Remove focaccia from tray and place it on the cutting board. Cut into pieces of your desired shapes and serve warm or cold. Enjoy the focaccia bread with soups, make sandwiches with, or enjoy on its own. I hope you had a great time with this recipe. I'd really appreciate if you could kindly give it a thumbs up, share it, and consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Please stay tuned for more of my simple yet incredibly delicious homemade creations coming your way soon. A big thank you for tuning in and wishing you a wonderful day ahead.